Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. This is an asteroid that's on the south side, or that was on the south side of the moon. We're seeing these objects when the moon phases go through, meaning the 8th of October we saw, the 5th of October this month, the 8th, the 14th. You see also, as of the 14th of October, the moon was at its apogee, meaning it's closest to Earth. So is Venus doing major things. It's getting closer, flaring, spectacular presence in the solar system that we can see it a lot closer. So is the sun. You wake up, they say the moon's at its apogee. Well, obviously the sun will be too. When you look at the sun, I had to zoom out one shot because I was too close to the sun. I couldn't get the entire sphere because the sun was a bit closer. So this is the blue object, mysterious blue object that I'm getting beside the moon. Guys, there's a reason for filming monitors. Do you know it's state of the art? This is what is coming. Major, major new technique in three-dimensional imaging. And I assure you, it is state of the art. Guys, I have videos that have not been seen at all, that show structures that have never been showed any time at all in the world. I'm going to start mentioning this. This is a beautiful unknown celestial object, by the way, that was beside the moon. It was orange in color. We're seeing a blue line around it, and now by filtering it, the orange part became green, and we can see the detail of the surface. This is why we're seeing it this color. In reality, this is an orange fiery celestial object. This one is the blue planet that is I'm showing you in black and white. Here it is. One of the most amazing planet surfaces, celestial object I've ever caught, and obviously it's a lot closer than it's ever been before. Now, say to yourself, there is no object that is this big, but look at the winding paths again, or natural, whatever it be. Yes, it could be natural. I'm not always assuming everything is a structure, but I'm mesmerized not by what's necessarily on the surface of this blue planet, guys. I'm mesmerized by the planet itself. Why? Because it is so close. It was in the field of view beside the moon, to the left of the moon. I woke up the next morning, guys, everyone else, and when I say everyone, I mean a lot, everyone was getting this celestial object. Seen from the States, seen from other countries. Of course, you're going to get countries that are not going to see any celestial objects. You know, Australia, they're limited to certain sky objects, as we are here in Canada, limited to certain sky objects. This, an asteroid or moon. Why do I say moon? Because it's one of the smaller objects that was beside the blue planet, not the one to the left of it, but underneath the moon. And but it was at the same time as the blue planet. But it really does remind me of our moon. It reminds me, well, why? The colors maybe we're seeing, but the surface, I'm going to go show you a close up of this surface. It's going to mesmerize you. The X-ray, sorry, way that I do the technique in filtering is astonishing. You'll see the detail on the surface, guys. This is the goal, right? I've heard science all my life, like this here. Try to get the best detail of the surface. Well, this is what I've done. I can even see what looks like possibly areas where there are or could have been rivers and lakes. And you can see the outlining just like here on Earth. It's just like, I mean, we could travel hundreds of millions of miles, guys, from our galaxy and from our solar system, and we'd be just like home. We'd land on a planet with probably rivers and lakes, different temperatures. But there are, say to yourself, many planets like Earth out there that are exactly like the temperatures that are here, probably maybe even better. Now, here it is. Take a look at the surface. Now, this is pretty amazing, and the shot afterwards, too. The frames afterwards will be absolutely astonishing. Look at the surface. Isn't that incredible? Mountainous regions incredible mountainous regions. There must be water. There could be water. NASA's finding water all over the solar system, not that far. And we know that there's possibly water on Pluto. It's not confirmed, I don't think, but they're looking into this. Now look at the surface of this. Just absolutely exquisite. We're able to see the surface. This is what excites me the most, to be able to see the surface. All the anomalies, we can look in detail on this. And look at this object. For all we know, it's a craft. I have no idea what it is. The more I look at it, the less I think it looks like a planet. But then again, look at the gases or whatever, the storms or whatever that is around these objects that are finding, sorry, are absolutely amazing. Here's the other side, but look at the two black dots there. I don't know. There's just a lot of things that are really odd when you look at them. They're beautiful. They're objects that we're finding not only in deep space now, guys. They're appearing in the field of view in my camera beside the moon. And when I say beside, I mean beside. You can ask anyone that's catching these objects. They really are looking and seeming like they're beside the moon. And look, we can see more than one celestial object. We're seeing pieces, corners, symmetrical shapes at times. There's nothing that we can't see in the sky. And we're seeing more and more debris field coming in, bigger and closer. So we're going to keep looking at that through the months, and the upcoming moon phase I'll be looking. These are the website contributors. Thanks to them, this channel and my website, brucecesal.com, advances all the time. We can upkeep. We'll be able to maintain this channel free for everyone. And what people are giving, what people will be able to donate, well, I thank you very much. There is no amount that is too small. WSO YouTube channel. Bro, Steve Olson, a shout out to you, bro, for talking about the other channels, for showing the world what other channels are also sharing. And at the same time, sending many of your community members over my way. I really appreciate it because they're awesome people. They're really contributing to my community and interacting. I can't thank you enough. Guys, check out WSO YouTube channel.